Hiya.
Hi everybody, it's Lee and Belinda from Chateau Marais. And today is the day of our event, at last. The weather's not great, is it?
No, it looks like we're going to get some rain, I think.
The rain's forecast. I'm just praying that it holds off tonight. We've got a particularly tricky dinner service actually, which we are going to have to do outside the big doors of the donjon. So anyway, let's hope for fine weather later on. We've got about 50, just over 50 people tonight.
No, we've got more. We've got, including the band, we've got 60.
We've got 60, but yeah. 60 to cater for. About 50, 54, 55 actually in the donjon. We've got loads to do.
Belinda needs some stress relief.
We've got to, thank you.
Being very stressed out.
I can still talk. We've got to lay the tables, we've got to make the salads, we've got to, oh my goodness me.
Get all the tables out there. But fortunately, we've got some really good help that's come in to help us sort out the tables. And this time we've got a table plan that I will not screw up because Belinda has made sure with a list and table numbers and a very definite warning that if I screw up this time, I'm out the door.
Special food conditions? So. Absolutely. So listen, we'll see you later. We'll see you at some point, and let's hope for a good day and a good night.
Yeah, and we'll film it and put it on this film and hope you enjoy it. Bye.
Bye. Welcome for your first time. Bienvenue, si c'est le premier fois que vous êtes ici, un très grand bienvenue à vous. Merci. Ce soir, nous avons le grand plaisir, we have great pleasure in introducing Triode. So, we hope you enjoy the evening. Nous espérons que vous profitez du soirée musicale. And without further ado, I want to introduce Triode, fantastic musicians.
Je vous parle d'un temps que les moins de 20 ans ne peuvent pas connaître. Montmartre en ce temps-là accrochait ses lilas jusque sous nos fenêtres, et si la plus garnie qui nous servait de nid ne payait pas de mine, c'est là qu'on s'est connus, moi qui criais famine et que toi qui te posais nu. La bohème, la bohème, ça voulait dire on est heureux.
Do the favourite for Linda, which is the dam. You can't do this. Oh, okay.
Okay, a cappella.
A cappella, yeah.
Qui va toujours Padam, 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 des je t'aime de 14 juillet.
Hi there. This is the morning after the night before. I don't know about you, Lee. I'm absolutely shattered.
Exhausted,
We are
yeah,
so tired.
yeah.
However, it was a brilliant evening, wasn't it? It was
It's
great.
a great evening. The first time I've seen Belinda serve lasagna with rain running down her neck.
Yes, that was a novel experience, one not to be repeated. Seriously, it poured with rain just at the time of the food service last night. But you know what? We got through it.
I don't know how you did it.
Well,
I really don't know
someone
how you
had
did
to,
it. Yeah.
and we had lots of help.
Yeah, we did.
And everyone enjoyed it. We had, we had great feedback already early this morning
Yeah,
from people.
people-
We had people staying
Too
out
early this
overnight.
morning. Look at that.
Overnight
I've
in
still
camper
got red eyes
vans
here. Yeah.
which was brilliant. One with a poodle, actually. I never saw the poodle last night.
Yeah, it was in the bag.
Mimi, that was Mimi.
Mimi was in the
poodle was
bag.
here.
It was a dog in a bag.
We've got to clear up.
You've heard of soup in a basket?
We'll see
we
you
had
later.
dog in a bag.
Bye.
Bye.
So Lee's got his medieval dagger. Don't ask what it's for.
This is my door stopper.
So we've nearly cleared up now. Look, it's nearly done.
Most of it's cleared up. Thanks to a lot of help. So, before we go, we'd just like to say a few thank yous to
massive
people.
thank you.
Yeah, massive thank you to people that have helped us.
So Mike and Triod, the band, thank you very much. Fantastic music.
which
Di,
everyone loved.
we had Di, Nikki,
Nikki.
John, Becky, Anthony and Shareem. And thank you so much for helping us last night and making it into a super duper event.
And we'd like to thank the weather gods for raining on us all
Is that a
evening.
Thor or Woden?
Woden.
Anyway,
Odin.
on that note of,
Wotan.
I don't know anything
I don't
about
know.
the Greek gods.
I don't know, but they didn't shine on us. They wet all over us last night, especially you when you were serving the food. My little piranha. Thank you.
So, as always, thank you ever so much for watching us. Sorry it's been such a long while, but we put two films up very close together, which was very nice of us. And we hope to see you again very soon. Please like us, please subscribe, and